guys, it's Janet here with remarkablycreated.com. In today's Remarkably Fast video, I have a really fun, simple project for you. I have been slowly going through 22 years of stuff here in Stamp World, and I came across 14 of these. And imagine it's 14 days till Valentine's, so the number was perfect for me to give away one of these a day on my blog. But I wanted to show you what they are, and I also wanted to show you how easy it would be to make one on your own in case you're not a winner on my blog. So what these are what we call a snail leash. What you do is you go ahead, it's simply one of those retractable name badge holders, and you just embellish the front of these. These were left over from an event that we did a few years back for Wear Red for the Heart Association's trying to draw attention to women with heart disease, and so that was what this was from. And again, it's just a simple retractable name badge holder. And you're going to just embellishment any way you want. With your snail on the holder here, you have this little piece right here that is kind of a little U shape. It's connected on one side. You're going to simply take a piece of baker's twine and you're going to put it underneath of that. You want to be careful as you're lifting it up. See how that's on there now and it's threaded. And then what you're able to do is you can either unsnap this and, bring that down and around and tie while it's snapped. So I'm going to go ahead and crisscross that over that and then snap it down. And what I want to do is I want to bring that in tight, and now I'm just going to tie this off because I'm just attaching it. And it doesn't impede your ability to add refills. And I'm just going to make this a knot. And it's on the back side, as you can see here. Oops, you can't see. I'm off camera. Sorry about that. Again, all I'm doing is tying a knot. I open this up, kind of put it around. Sorry about that, guys. I think I did the rest of it on camera for you. It's just tying that knot. I slid it closer to me. So what I have is I have the refill case, and you can see where it's hanging on. Let's go ahead and let's put our adhesive in it. And now you don't have to worry about losing your adhesive. Just clip it on, especially when you're at a retreat. Or I like to wear my apron when I'm crafting because I always have to have my bifocals and my phone in a pocket. And so I can just clip it on and I have that handy thing to do. So just a real fun project. But remember that I have 14 that I'm giving away on my blog this week. And it's not just the holder. It's going to actually be a snail as well too. So you have all of the pieces that you need to create that. So one a day for the next 14 days. So come visit me at remarkablycreated.com so that you can learn about how you could win one of these along with the snail that goes with it. Thanks, guys.